Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asmatullah, Assistant Professor, Computer Science Department, Islamic College, Wanamari. Today I am teaching about the professional English. First of all, we know the what is the English. English is a universal language which used to communicate each to other. Because without English, we cannot do anything in school life, college, or whatever maybe. If you want to communicate one to another person, must be used as the English language. So in professional English, we we're learning what is the English, what is professional English, why it's used, uh, why it is needed, and uses of the professional English. Because of the English, normal English and professional English, it has a little bit different. Because in our locality and other, English is the same, but pronunciation and the other things is a little bit different. In this professional English, I take the first unit. In first unit, they have the they have content, listening, speaking, reading, writing, and vocabulary. Because of the this five is common to all languages. What maybe it have the language Urdu, Tamil, or English, anything. We first know listening the what was the say, and we practice this practice to talking and reading and writing. And finally, we check the vocabulary. Just mean perfection, like grammatic word or sentence. How to combine a sentence like that. Okay. First, we know the what is the communication. Communication is nothing but transferring the information one to another person. It may be as a voice or any behaviors or any touching, anything doing. First, we prefer the communication and speaking to any other language is nothing but transferring the information one person to another person and a group of people. One person has the send a message, and another person was receiving the message. For example, we say the hi bro. One person has to send a message to another person, and he replied hi bro, I'm fine. That's like communication refer to two-way process. That's mean uh, anything we're sharing like that, communicate each to other, whether information, ideas, feeling, or opinion, sharing between the two or more person. Uh, in this communication, they have the two types. First is the verbal, another one is the non-verbal. Verbal communication means we have to express our ideas, thinking, what may be as using the voice, written, and some saying the some words using the text message or normally speaking or like that. Another one is a non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication is a actually is not using the word. Just we have to express our proposed eye contact, body language, and what may be it, but not uses of any word or textic form. So in around the world, each and every person has to be communicate one to another person. Maybe have the verbal and non-verbal, just using the two types. And communication is a it's important thing. Because of the if you not communicate each to other, we cannot do anything. If I need a water, I asking, so I will communicate the other person. For example, I am saying that to my nearest person and another person, I need a water because I'm testing. So I need a food because of I'm hungry. So like that, without any saying or without communicate, we cannot survive in this world. Just listen and the audio, I can asking the question and you will answer.
The excellence not by accident. It is a process where an individual continuously strives to better oneself. The performance standards are set by themselves. They work on their dreams with focus and are prepared to take calculated risks and do not get deterred by failures as they move towards their dreams. Then they step up their dreams as they tend to reach the original targets. They strive to work to their potential. In the process, they increase their performance, thereby multiplying further their potential. This is an unending life cycle phenomena, culture of excellence. They are not in competition with anyone else but themselves. That is a culture of excellence. I'm sure each one of you will aspire to become a unique with culture of excellence. I learned every youth wants to be unique. Every youth wants to be unique. That is you. Every youth wants to be unique. That is you. But the world around you is doing its best. They like to make you just everybody else. Question is whether you want to be you or everybody else. Being like everybody else is convenient at the first glance, but not satisfying in the long vision. The challenge, therefore, my young friends, is that you have to fight the hardest battle. You have to fight the hardest battle, which any human being can ever imagine to fight, and never stop fighting until you arrive at your destined place. That is the unique you. To get the unique you, it's a big battle. The battle means you don't need to take a gun. The battle means you have to have 4 unique things. 4 unique tools you must have in that battle. One is you have to set the goal. The second one is acquire the knowledge continuously. And third one is hard work with the devotion. And fourth is perseverance. Where there is righteousness in the heart, where there is righteousness in the heart, there is beauty in the character. When there is beauty in the character, there is harmony in the home. When there is harmony in the home, there is an order in the nation. When there is order in the nation, there is peace in the home. Question is whether you want to be you or everybody else.
Okay, students, we watch the video. In this video, I show the videos. You are all watching and listening the videos. This is also one type of a communication. Listening is the main important one, because we cannot listening anything. We cannot reply anything. If someone has to say something, if you cannot listen, you cannot respond, you cannot reply the self. And next topic is speaking. First, you know the what is speaking. Speaking means talking each to other, friends, family, school, college, anywhere. When we speak with using our broken English, that means we have to use na come, go, I am, sorry, I am. When we use the English in day-to-day life, we improve. When we improve, one day definitely we have to speak the fluently in English. Just give an example of one movie. Maybe you all have see the movie of English. Uh, all of the see the movie English. in this movies in these movies we saw the Sridevi how will be struggling the speak to English, and what are the things we have to face. We cannot communicate each to other. We cannot ask something under because of the English. When we have to improve English in day to day life, one day definitely we have to fluently speak in English. Just before that, we must be improve the English in each and everywhere, like that. Writing in English, reading in English, listening the English video, English audios, and speak in English. Then only we have to speak the fluently. And one more thing, everyone has to ask the question: how to speak English in fluently? Just now I have to say, I was say that how will the improve our fluently English? Just simply we have to improve English in using the day to day life, because when you the practically in daily our life, one day definitely we have to speak in fluently, so that we must be speak, read, listening, and thinking, even thinking also in English. Then only we improve our English knowledge as well as the speak the fluently. Okay, in this lesson we have the two more two more topic. Just we will be discuss the next video. Okay, thank you.